Hi there, welcome to Axis. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts to the unified inbox by Axis. And guess what? You only need one click to connect both. Start by logging into your Axis account. Go to www.myaxis.ai. That's the official website. Once you've logged in, you're going to click on Settings, and this will take you to the Channel section. Once you're there, you're going to click on Add Channels, More Channels. You'll click on More Channels, and then you'll also click on Connect, Facebook Messenger Connect. So this will also integrate your Instagram account. So when you connect your Facebook page, you'll be able to connect your Instagram page if the Instagram page is also a business account and it's linked to the Facebook page in Meta Business Suite. So you're going to continue, and then here you're going to select the account that you want to access. So you're going to select that and continue, and then you're also going to select that business account and click on continue. So you want the unified inbox to access both your Facebook account and your Instagram account. You'll click on continue. Make sure to grant all access to the Facebook pages and features that Axis needs. And then you're going to save. So this shows that the pages have been connected, so you'll click on that. And once authorized, both Facebook and Instagram DMs will show up on your unified inbox instantly. So when we go to inbox, you're going to see the Instagram page and the Facebook page are now on inbox. So any customer who's going to send you a message on both accounts, you're going to see the messages here on the unified inbox. Apart from that, we also have an application called Axis by Belva. Once you download the applications, you're able to talk to your customers on the go. Thanks for watching.